Hey, hot tubbers, do you have a saltwater hot tub? And are you curious? Do phosphates even matter? Is it something I even need to be concerned about? Stay tuned and I will answer all those questions right away. So hey guys, welcome back. And one of the questions that we get almost every single day on this showroom floor is, do I even need to worry about phosphates? And if you have a saltwater hot tub, the answer is yes, you do really need to get those phosphates down. It will make your salt cells last a little bit longer, and it is kind of a big deal to make sure you do that. Now, getting phosphates removed, it's a time-consuming process, and it's not something that you can just instantly get rid of. It's a process, and you're going to very slowly add phosphate remover, like 2 ounces a week for every week till you get those phosphates down to 0. Watkins Manufacturing would like to have your phosphates below 300 part per billion or lower. That is huge. That will make those salt cells, you'll get the full life out of those salt cells. It'll also help on the foaming and everything that happens with your hot tub. The best way to do that is, again, add about 2 ounces of phosphate remover every week until you get down to 0. And then once you actually get in line, it will actually, you just want to maintain that dosage till you get down low. Phosphates come from absolutely everywhere, so it's something you definitely want to keep in mind. There's a lot of times you'll actually get phosphates from other chemicals that you put in the hot tub, especially if you're having to use something like a stain and scale control to deal with hardness or metals. There are some other options that I will link down below that you maybe want to give a shout out to try those. See You Later has been a really good product. I will do a whole other video on that here soon, but that's a good product, especially if you're struggling with metals. I actually love testing for phosphates. I find that it's really, really fun. I'll do a quick little video, put that right over here so that you can see how to actually do it. But phosphates do come from a lot of things. They come from shampoo in your hair, laundry detergent in your swimsuits, lotions, body oils. Phosphates are absolutely everywhere, so they are a very hard thing to keep under control, and you do want to work on that. Now, if you are putting phosphate remover in your hot tub, it is important that you clean your filters, because what is happening is that phosphate remover is making those filters a little bit bigger, or making those particles a little bit bigger, and the filters are catching them. So make sure when you add phosphate remover that you are staying on your maintenance of cleaning your filter. So that's a really big deal as well. Guys, I hope this is helpful and hope you understand the importance of taking care of your phosphates, especially if you have a saltwater hot tub. If you keep those phosphates in line, your salt cells will last a little bit longer. Make sure that you reach out to me on Instagram. I will follow up with anybody that follows up there. Be sure to download the 7-page Ultimate Hot Tub Care Guide. That link for that is down below. Guys, I think you're the absolute best. Please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Do all the things that help me, help you become a happy hot tub owner. And just remember, keep making life epic.